On 1st November 2024, the Ministry of Finance published the 8th edition of the Singapore Public Sector Outcomes Review. This report, released biennially, summarizes national developments in areas ranging from economic growth and job creation to public health and sustainability. According to the MOF, the SPOR offers a comprehensive look at how government policies have influenced Singaporeans' lives from 2019 to 2023. Education and lifelong learning. The SPOR states that significant progress has been made in expanding early childhood education, with the number of full-day preschool places increasing to over 200,000. It notes that these expansions, combined with lowered fee caps for anchor and partner-operator preschools, have improved affordability for families. The report also claims that primary and secondary students now have more diverse pathways to explore their strengths. Employment trends. According to the review, employment rates for residents aged 25 to 64 were high in 2023, reaching 82.6%. It also mentions that wage growth has been observed in recent years, with government initiatives such as Skills Future contributing to improved job performance, citing a 98% positive feedback rate from trainees. The Gini coefficient, which measures income inequality, reportedly fell to 0.371 after taxes and transfers, indicating an impact from redistributive government measures. Support for families and parenthood. The report highlights that Singapore's total fertility rate continued to decline, reaching 0.97 in 2023, attributed to fewer marriages and births. To counter this trend, the MOF outlines measures such as enhancing the baby bonus scheme and increasing the availability of infant care, which has reportedly grown by 50% over the past 5 years. Health and active living. The SPOR points out that Singaporeans have one of the longest life expectancies globally. Measures to reduce high cholesterol and diabetes rates were noted as successes, while obesity and high blood pressure reportedly increased. The review indicates that mental health efforts, such as the National Mental Health and Wellbeing Strategy launched in 2023, helped lower self-reported poor mental health rates from the previous year. However, it acknowledges that median wait times at public hospitals increased to 7.2 hours in 2023 due to COVID-19-related delays and the pressures of an aging population. Retirement and senior employment. The report mentions that policy changes, including raised retirement and re-employment ages, have boosted employment among seniors. Programs such as the Matched Retirement Savings Scheme and the Modular Package are highlighted for enhancing retirement readiness. Additionally, initiatives like AgeWell SG are noted for promoting independent and active aging. Housing and transport. The review claims that wait times for public housing have decreased, supported by the Home Improvement Programme and Neighbourhood Renewal Programme. It adds that public transport enhancements have improved connectivity, with 92% of residents able to reach neighbourhood centres within 20 minutes by foot, bike, or public transport. Environmental sustainability. According to the report, Singapore's resilience in food and water supplies improved, with food sources expanding from 172 in 2019 to 187 in 2023. The government also points out measures such as mandatory water recycling for intensive users starting in 2024. Investments in natural habitat restoration reportedly saw over 40 hectares revitalized by early 2024, part of a broader plan for sustainable urban living. Safety and security. The SPOR states that Singapore maintained its status as one of the world's safest countries, noting low physical crime and a 22% recidivism rate for the 2021 release cohort. It also highlights anti-scam initiatives that reportedly prevented about $150 million in potential losses in 2023. Global contributions. The review indicates that Singapore played an active role in regional security and humanitarian assistance, supporting areas such as maritime law and cybersecurity. Domestically, over 35 alliances for action involving community groups were reportedly formed to tackle societal challenges and strengthen national identity. Economic growth and business environment. The report highlights that between 2019 and 2023, Singapore's real GDP grew at an annualized rate of 2.6%. Business formation remained strong, with more than 70,000 new entities established in 2023, above the annual average of 64,000 from 2019 to 2022. The review notes investments in AI and digital infrastructure as part of efforts to maintain Singapore's competitiveness and productivity. Digital and physical connectivity. The MOF review discusses improvements in Singapore's digital and physical connectivity, positioning the nation as a leader in innovation and trade. It also mentions increased efforts to defend against cyber threats and expand digital capabilities. While the SPOR 2024 outlines key achievements and improvements, it does not disclose who compiled or reviewed the report's findings. Additionally, the absence of publicly available raw data limits independent verification and public analysis.